So hi guys, I am Aditya Raj and you are watching High Tech Community YouTube channel. Friends, most of the people use GB WhatsApp because it provides us extra privacy than compared to normal WhatsApp which is available in Play Store. So guys, we were getting a problem in GB WhatsApp that we don't get notification whenever someone sends us a message. Okay, when we open the GB WhatsApp, then we can see there is a message came and we were unable to understand what to do, why this message notification didn't came. So in this video I am gonna tell you how can you fix this notification problem very easily. I have already made on video on this topic in previous days, but that video was in Hindi, so most of the foreign people cannot understand Hindi because that is Indian language only, and most of the people don't know Hindi. Okay, so again I am making this same video in English, so all you all can understand this long language. So let's get started and watch the video till end, so you will be able to fix this problem. So let's get started and subscribe our channel to watch our latest videos.
Okay guys, so now we are on my mobile screen. Now all you need to do is go to settings app. So let's open this settings in our device, which is by default app in our phones. Now see here settings, we will open this settings and now go to the apps. Okay, we need to find the apps like this and click on this apps button and go to manage apps. After going to manage apps, you will able to see all the apps which are on in your smartphone. Okay, now all you need to do is search the app GB WhatsApp. Now let's search. Now you can see I opened the GB WhatsApp over here. Now all you need to do is go down and go to the other permissions. Okay, after going to other permissions, if you are able to see here display pop-up window. Okay, this is not enabled. Now click on this and allow this. Okay, and show on lock screen, allow this also, and now go back here. Okay, after coming back, if you'll come down and you will able to see here notifications, click on this notification and enable this. Problem is not ended guys, watch the full video, then you will able to fix this problem very easily. Now enable all these notifications. Okay, then after enabling this, all the notifications, come down and you will able to see other notifications. Okay, come to this and enable this show notification and keep the importance on the high. And after keeping on high, you can also enable this also LED light if you want, and you can also select this notification on this lock screen. Okay, and now come to the back and go down. After coming down here, you will be able to see another option called failure notifications. Click on this and enable this also, and enable this and click on the importance and click on high. You can also enable this vibration LED and other notifications also, and you can also select sound over here. Now let's come to back and I will tell you what to do. Now guys, scroll down and you will able to see additional settings in the app. Click on this and you will be able to come on this page. If you are not getting this page, then go to your GB WhatsApp. Here is the GB WhatsApp. Let us open this and I will tell you what to do. Now click on this three dots button and go to the settings. After coming to settings, you will able to see these notifications. Now you can see here there are both the same pages. Okay, you can open any one of these and you should enable this all the settings. Okay, over here. After enabling this, come back. After coming back guys, you need to click on the notifications. Okay, you can see here lot of notifications. Okay, like group notifications, message notification and other notifications which are provided over here. You need to click on all this and you need to enable all these. Okay, if you enable all this, now your notification problem is 100% fixed. Okay,
So I hope guys this video were helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and do follow me on Instagram to see the latest videos updates. And in this video that's it. I will see you soon in the next video.